The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a tornado warning for southern Baldwin County in southwestern Alabama until midnight Central Daylight Time. At 11:11 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles east of Alabama Port, or 9 miles southwest of Point Clear, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicating low impact. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Point Clear around 11:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Fairhope and Magnolia Springs around 11:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Foley, Robertsdale, Loxley, Summerdale, and Silver Hill around 11:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until midnight Central Daylight Time Thursday for the following county: Baldwin, Alabama. This is Noah.